Large-scale farming and high-horsepower tractors are natural partners. The constantly increasing demand for greater efficiency and more productivity is ever present in the minds of farmers and contractors. New Holland leads the field with these tractors, a range introduced in 1994 which has had an incredible success. Over 10,000 have been successfully delivered to customers across the world. From the big French cereal farms to the tough clay of Italy. From drilling and harvesting in Central Europe to the Great Plains of North America, these tractors are meeting the relentless demands of an ever-increasing number of customers. From a position of leadership, New Holland invites you to take a closer look at real field performance. The Series 70. 4 models offer you the tractor for your specific needs. The 170 horsepower 8670, the 190 horsepower 8770, the 210 horsepower 8870, and the top of the range 8970, delivering 240 horsepower. Tractors which lead the way. These tractors are working examples of New Holland's technology and experience in tractor production, from design with CAD systems to quality from conception to the factories dedicated to specific missions, such as here at Basildon, England. Here, in addition to the mid-range tractors, almost all of New Holland's engines are manufactured using advanced production processes, subjecting engines to tough quality and performance checks before they are fitted into the tractors. Or the plant in Winnipeg, Canada, specializing in high horsepower tractors and the giant versatile articulated tractors. Highly qualified personnel, precise assembly processes, extensive computerized tests for transmissions and in-cab controls. Everything possible is done to offer you truly quality products. Products which are investments in the future. Seeing the Series 70 tractors at work is the best way to appreciate them and to realize what benefits they offer you. Their exceptional performance derives primarily from the New Holland Constant Power Plus engines, 6-cylinder, 7.5 litres of flexible engine performance. Engines which have been developed specifically to provide the Series 70 tractors with their unrivaled field performance. But what does Constant Power Plus give you? It gives you more. As working conditions get tougher, these engines provide you with more power, up to 6% above their rated value, helping you pull through. But that is not all. Their power output remains above their rated value, down as low as an amazing 1550 RPM, delivering 210 horsepower at 1550 RPM. That is outstanding working flexibility. Constant Power Plus also combines with a torque rise which is simply exceptional, reaching an incredible 44% at only 1400 RPM to further improve working flexibility. Power is a feeling, and Constant Power Plus will give you a feeling of confidence, confidence to get the job done. Here is the result of advanced technology and innovation. Cross-flow helical air intake ports for high turbulence, precisely designed combustion chambers for maximum power production. And the benefit for you? High performance and clean, efficient combustion. With New Holland Constant Power Plus engines, high performance working lives are standard. All this power is transformed into effective working performance by a class-leading advanced transmission. The electronically controlled, intelligent, full power shift has been designed specifically to make your work easier and more comfortable than ever before. Let's see why. Power is channeled efficiently through rugged helical cut gears, with modulated multi-disc clutch packs to provide smooth power shifting under load. 18 forward speeds are equally positioned from little more than 2 km per hour up to 40 km per hour, with features that make it unique in its class. Just a touch of the fingers or a nudge of the hand on the control lever shifts up or down speeds throughout the entire 18-speed range. It is that simple. Program it to meet your specific working requirements. At the end of the field, with the press of a button, 3 speeds, up or down, can be shifted, a speed change of more than a third, allowing you to turn efficiently whilst maintaining engine speed for the important hydraulic services. And when you return to work, push the button again and your working speed will be automatically reselected. For road travelling, there is an auto shifting system. Between 12th and 18th, just select auto and the transmission automatically changes the power shift speed to suit the engine speed and road conditions. You can just sit back for stress-free driving. And as we watch this heavy trailer, don't forget that the advantages of this transmission also include programmable reverse speeds, another feature to make maneuvering easier. Turning the power-shifted speeds into total traction is the New Holland four-wheel drive system. High ground clearance, rugged performance, and a revolutionary supersteer front axle are an impressive package for any tractor. From tough ploughing to power harrowing or fast surface cultivations, performance is maximized even in the toughest operating conditions. Supersteer adds the ultimate dimension, a steering angle which cannot be bettered. Look at this headland turn. No maneuvering, just a smooth turn. A turn which is a staggering 18% smaller than a standard axle. Using our experience of the big versatile tractors, the supersteer axle takes the steering angle up to 65 degrees. Take a closer look at the entire axle pivoting towards the center of the turn, giving the inside wheel more clearance, allowing it to turn to a greater angle than the standard axle. With supersteer, New Holland has set another record for innovation, another outstanding investment. And high-speed road transport has been closely considered throughout these tractors' development. Remember the automatic gear shift, starting with 12th, allowing the operator to concentrate purely on driving. Trailers like this big effluent tanker can be trailed at speed in total safety. And when it's time to brake, gently touching the pedals simultaneously activates the powerful oil-immersed disc brakes and engages the four-wheel drive system of the tractor. Also, the trailer brakes are applied hydraulically or by the powerful factory-fitted air braking system. The choice is yours. The extraordinary capacity for work of New Holland Series 70 is enhanced by the PTO and hydraulic system, allowing these tractors to excel with demanding equipment, whether mounted, semi-mounted, or even just trailed. Series 70 provides the power to perform. The working PTO speeds allow the maximum engine power to be used. Take another look at the power curve. You can see how the Plus improves performance, delivering true maximum power through the PTO system. For you, this means always having the Power Plus available for the toughest and most difficult tasks. Engagement is simple. The electro-hydraulic system is smooth and progressive, and it can be disengaged at a touch of the hand. The electronically controlled hydraulic lift on the Series 70 tractors offers the best that exists on the market today. First of all, an incredible lifting capacity of almost 9 tons. No problem with long or heavy implements. Such power is electronically controlled for effective implement performance. You can mix draft and position control to suit the application. Then, the lowering speed and even the wheel slip can be limited to suit the implement and field conditions. As the implement's position is adjusted, the operator is kept informed of wheel slip and the working height by the LCD instrument panel. Such information allows the implement's performance to be optimized. Draft is constantly monitored through electronic sensing pins in the lower links, allowing the implement's working depth to be adjusted to suit the soil conditions. Even with a plough of this size, Series 70 tractors use their technology to optimize their performance, increasing efficient productivity. At the headland, all you need is New Holland's famous Lift-O-Matic to lift and then lower the implement, returning it automatically to its working settings. Combine this with the programmable up and down gear shift and you can turn faster and return to work quicker. Versatility is also apparent with the 4 hydraulic remote valves providing hydraulic control for many other applications. The flow of these advanced valves can be adjusted from the operator's seat, allowing the oil flow to be finely tuned to the implement requirements. In conclusion, the PTO and hydraulic systems on these big tractors enhance their versatility and increase their performance, thus offering you truly competitive tractors for all your working needs. But don't think even for a second that New Holland devoted all its design research for the Series 70 purely to performance and technical specifications. New Holland knows, above all, that it is the tractor drivers who make the difference. Without them, everything else would be useless. Easy access to the cab, thanks to the wide doors. The steering wheel can be adjusted. A luxury, fully adjustable seat, also with electronic controls, swivels to the right and the left, with air suspension for even greater comfort. Then, when the driver is comfortable, the entire control console with its logical layout can be moved up to almost 20 centimeters to the best position for you. The cab is also pressurized and air-conditioned to maintain a really first-class working environment, where work does not mean hard labor. But that's still not all. Let's go back to work. The faint noise you hear is the engine at full power, but in the cab, you hear only 73 decibels. And if you want to look around, there is total visibility. 360 degrees of total visibility, thanks to the big windows and streamlined posts. The instrument panel provides you with a clear view of everything you want and need to know, always giving you the precise information to work the tractor productively. Pressures and temperature, engine RPM and speed selected, speed and service intervals. All these are constantly monitored. The on-board microprocessors offer an incredible range of information on the performance monitor display, from wheel slip to lift height, from the area covered to work rate, and much, much more, protecting your investment, keeping you informed. Getting the most of such an investment means night work. An array of 17 powerful halogen work lamps can be directed for full illumination, so that you always know where you are and what you are doing, so that you can work as if it were daytime. But the benefits offered by these big tractors are not finished yet. We have also thought about maintenance, easy and trouble-free even for machines this size. Daily checks are at your fingertips. Raising the big bonnet is easy and completely effortless. Then the intercooler hinges out for easy cleaning. Everything has been designed to make life easier for the farmer and operator. Refueling completes the picture, with the neck of the fuel tank located just to one side of the cabin access steps. The exceptional capacity of the fuel tank, a good 416 litres, guarantees you operating range on even the longest, heaviest days when you always need full power. But in addition to all this, the Series 70 offers a last but not less important benefit: the highly professional network of local New Holland dealers. They are ready to welcome you with support and advice, to provide service and parts whenever and wherever you need them, protecting your investment.